Hello.
Mulikuti.
Zizo.
Okay. Oh. Zizo. Pano bakusisira bino basi. Ziwenda kaya sasa. Ndiye Ninuyo ndamene kumuoba. Naona nimene muonekera mutabu. Azatu maflat, azatu maflat, mukaba flat, enjoy life. Ife tukopera nuyo asisi, tukopera nuyo. Inuyo ndamene deile kupita ku mo ukatumisa ndalama malazi. Makaya bwanji koma. Iwe ndinkhani yochepa imene. Iwe amuna kosama kupasa ndalama. Adiyo. Sutumiza umuzi ndalama. Serious? Ine orefi ni ngani akupita kuma grocery kwa grandma grocery amapita woka. Ine ni mango landira. Uzani nyozi makabanja. Serious ufuna uziwe. Ngoma chisisi tu. Simafunika chisisi zimenezi. Serious? Timapanga mankwala, chanchan timangomisa mankwala, ndiyo kumuikira kuchakudya mwamuna basi. Ngati wamaliza kudya kumasaiki basi. Ndiye wewe ulande mtambeleza chakudya cha munangu. Kupasa mankwala ne ukaika kuchakudya. Mwamuna uja akamaliza kudya basi chakudya chiti akamaliza mbali ichi asaike pasi. Iwe ukalande mtibeleza ne abambo ndikaike mbali. Isakuze pasa. Ngata ikapa iwe watengo ikapasi weka ndikuti wakazikisa mtima wake basi chini chose iwe ukafunda chini chose kupasa chini chose ise chini chose chimene ukufuna pasa mwamuna sani ndikapanga lelo serious ngoda iwe ungoti ndikufuna 1000 akupasa ndikufuna 2000 tumize mutu akupasa chini chose serious ife tumaponda wapa ona mbele timagula sopa amangondisira drama 1000 iyo baby ukagule ukapanga shopping serious basi hapa nene upita mungiti ya tio nipeleke kumani poti wanina kama kwa ineyo ninali na ukali pita ukati na pita pati ndiye ndugu basa ineyo ndikatinya hiyo umausaka iwali mbale asaka ike kapasi mbale wewe ukatenge akamaliza kuja ukatenge ukaike pasi ukakazikisa pasi ukazikisa mamunda chicho sita wava ndiye hapa pasi okay so ya pasa msingupeleza nikutali niyo mzikira nikapike
Baby! Yes, I'm back at work.
How was your day?
I'm good, and you?
It was okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Take this.
Okay.
I think you're tired.
Yes, I'm feeling tired. Yes, yeah. Ish, where's the food, my baby?
Oh, mufuna chakudia.
Yes.
Mufuna gaine.
Yeah. Yambe chakudia zina zidisira.
Obaeno.
Mazo wasokale baby.
Yes, mufuna kudia na. No, it's not for you. It's not for you, my baby. It's not for you. Mbati bwaje.
You know what? I want to promise you something, End of the month. I want to give you some gift, Yes, I want to give you some gift. Yes. Serious? You went to that.
Listen to me, guys, one.
Sindikukufuna ya ndio wewe ndio ndani. Iwe ndio ndani. Iwe ninakuza iwe. Get out of this. I'm not. Leave me alone. I'm not your husband. Who is your husband? Who is your husband? I'm not.
Nina sisi mwandipe sila mambaya mwenye mnyemba kwa mzani pesa mambaya mwenye mnyemba pesa relax. Ni mambaya mwenye pesa jacho. Wasokoneza. Sina sokoneza ndapanga mmene wewe nesho ni mayuza omwe aja ndizose. Hai tena utipite unyumba kwanga mkaonese. Wapanga bwanji wewe. Sasa undifuna ile. Koma maswera bwanji. Sindufuna so maswera bwanji. Sakufuna tukasha
chani?
Funa mamuna ngatieni kunyumba.
Iwe wapanga chani?
Tiye ukaone kuti kuli chani tiye. Chani.
Tiye. Mangokala. Muli bwanji?
Ndiye kuti chani soba.
Chakuta ndi chani?
Ndikukufusa my house again.
What happened?
Yaso kuno kunyumba kwanga.
Chakuta ndi chani ayini?
Kusanga kena kalikose. Wewe nakuza kuti chani? I said I don't like you. I don't love you. Just go you. Ndikuoneka ngati Mungu.
Ngati muntu mufamile mkambana timakambirana.
Yes,
What happened? Explain to me what happened. What's going on?
Don't ask me too much questions.
This is your wife.
Yes, I'm looking like a what? I'm looking like a Jesus.
No, you're not Jesus. This is your wife.
I want to tell
just say what's wrong.
I said here is not a court. Are you a judge?
I'm not a judge.
So why?
You cannot be shouting.
What do you want here?
I said no. Fix your marriage. You're not a judge.
Yes, man. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. I said I don't like you. I don't love you.